In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the headlight on this Volkswagen Up from 2013. First, with the T30 Torx, you have to remove these 5 bolts and take out this metal bracket. Then with the 20mm socket there is a plastic nut on top. And the metal bracket comes out. Down here there is one more T30. Make sure that you keep the washers as well. Then back here unplug this connector, and on the signal light remove the bulb like so. You have to twist it in this direction. I will try to hide it somewhere here so it won't break. Then you've got one more connector here, unplug it as well. For the last connector I'm going to wait until I remove the whole headlight because it's much easier to work back there. Next, lift the car from the round spot just next to the front wheel. Also make sure that the handbrake is on. Then with a 17mm socket undo the wheel bolts. Remove the wheel. Then with the T20 you have to remove all the bolts which holds the wheel fender on. There are a lot of them all around the wheel fender. Down here you'll find a plastic clip which I removed with this type of plier. Alright, inside here, if you have a look up here, you will find 2 plastic nuts, 10mm, and a T20 bolt down here. Alright, let's see. Now, once the bumper is loosened, the headlight should come out pretty easy. On the main high beam light there is a rubber cover, just peel it out. On this side over here there are some clips, just release them. Then with the T10 there is a little bolt right here. Open that a little bit, like so. The high beam bulb is coming out, and finally the headlight is also coming out. On the new one you've got this type of special nuts which will adjust the height of the headlight. If you tighten it in, the headlight will stay downwards, and if you release it, the headlights will stay more upwards. From now on, the installation is the reverse process. Place the headlight on. Here we go. To install back the high beam light, I will tighten back this little bolt. Now this bracket goes this way, up. Alright guys, I installed back the wheel fender, I put the wheel on and lower the car. That's how you install a headlight on this car. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.